Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Saan ka pupunta? Mhm. Anong nandyan?
Mga isda. Koi. Kasi ito yung
Mm.
forest natin.
Forest.
Maraming ibon dyan.
Lakas ng araw. Sunset. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Itong apartment. GSA apartment.
GSA apartment.
Yung bahay nila Sugang.
Bahay nila Sugang.
Yun o. Ga.
Yan. May nagko-computer. May nagko-computer.
Wala.
Okay, wala. TV room. TV room. Good boy. TV room. There. Okay. Pasok. Ping pong table. Okay. Okay. Ang aming mailboxes. It's a nice walk. That's one of the study rooms there.
Parang si Jason.
Okay.
Tara pa.
This is a walk. Go.
Bakit yung likod kong
It's a red roof. We go out. You can also go there. Or you can come here, the amphitheater. It's around. Okay.
Walang ganong tao.
Place is empty.
Parking lang.
Parking down there.
Favorite place, waffle.
Waffles. Where we get waffles right there.
Dapat pinakita yung playground.
Yung playground.
Meron ka ba?
Sa gabi.
Ay, hindi na natin siya. Ayun, pakita. Sa
See the playground from over here. There's the playground. There's the playground. Not in focus.
Sana nandyan sila mo. Kita nila. Papunta kami foyer.
Tingnan muna natin
Yung
kung saan.
waffle.
That's
Ayun,
one of the
yung super
restaurants right there. And at that window there, we buy the waffles. Right there. Yeah, John, okay.
Ganda ng sunlight.
Right there somewhere. Far away there is the sunlight. There, nice. There.
Sira baka. Malapit na tayo sa kantin.
Kantin.
Block 20 to 25. Kantin. Kantin. Yung steps. Yan. Kantin. Food go.
Just to give you an indication of what's like on the inside.
Hindi nila makita. Dun, may open na ano. Ay, wala. Nasabi mo ba kay Vince?
Oo.
Kailan? Tinext mo siya?
Oo. You go eat you? Go eat you? Not too many.
Hayward.
Maybe there's another one where you can eat.
Abangan ulit.
Stay gourmet.
Ay, sarado yung swimming pool.
Ay, walang tubig.
Baka sarado rin ang K-Gourmet.
Dapat dyan may tubig dyan, oh, dyan. Pero wala. Trees behind them.
Tennis court.
Tennis courts there. Yan, basketball court. Yeah.
Tapos may isa pang housing doon. Pang
King George VII.
pang ano nga?
Pang...
Medical students.
Ay, hindi.
Oo.
Medical students ba
Oo.
sila? Ah.
Pharmacist, nurse,
Saan nga tayo sasakay?
Pasir Panjang.
Hindi,
Hindi. Tama.
Oo.
Dito na tayo dumaan.
Okay.
Ito ang Nanyang.
Anyang.
Ito mahabang lakad. Hindi mo naman pinakita yung tennis court.
Hindi ba? Hindi na.
Basketball court. Ang ganda ba? Doon tayo sa taas para ano. Papunta akong South Buena Vista doon. Doon.
Mabilis mangalay yung kanan ko sa kaliwa.
Naririnig kaya yung boses ni Jack.
Eh, okay lang yun.
Yan ang King George Chorba. Doon
Ay, sorry.
papunta South Buena Vista doon.
Honey, dito mo. Nangangalay ako dito. Dito hindi. Weird. Bakit ganun?
Secret. Honey, shuttle service ba?
Yes, honey. Ay, hindi ko alam kung may shuttle service. 6 o'clock? Meron siguro.
Anong year?
Ay, oo nga, no.
You think?
Maybe.
Ayun na, mayroong nakapark.
Oh. Nag-iintay lang ba siya na mapuno? Hindi naman sa mapuno.
Parang walang shuttle.
Naghihintay. Umihi lang yung driver.
Ayun yung entrance ng
tuloy tayo.
Okay. Ito kami naghihintay ng shuttle.
Pwede din kami dyan dumaan. Papasok dyan. Dyan.
Patayin mo muna.
Okay. Dito kami. Oo. Dito kami sumasakay ng shuttle. Dito kami sumasakay. Mapa.
Lapit mo.
Yes. Okay.